Good morning, Nick Petro with the National Weather Service in Raleigh with your routine weekly briefing for Central North Carolina. And let's go ahead and jump right into this. Here's the current conditions, and you can see what appears to be and is a cold front that's basically right along the mountains there. And you could see much colder air in the plains and the Ohio Valley and Midwest, and clearly it's much warmer here ahead of the front. So anyway, that's what we've got right now. Now, let me clear the drawings here. And you'll notice that there is not a lot of rain with this front. And, you know, it's not, a super powerful front in terms of, bringing rain chances or any kind of adverse weather. So, in fact, we expect this front to move through dry. All right, so getting into the slides here, the key point with this weather pattern we're in now is it'll offer mainly dry weather through this week and upcoming weekend, although there is a very slim chance for some light rain late on Thursday and south of Highway 64 with another front. But the models have been trending drier for that period. So all in all, we expect that this week will be dry through the upcoming weekend. And then cooler for this weekend as well as high pressure builds over the area. You'll see the big H there in the late week period. And then over the upcoming weekend, you'll see that there's a complex, at least late in the weekend, a complex frontal system will be approaching, so that might bring some additional rain to the area early next week. The good news is right now we don't see any winter weather concerns for this briefing period for Central North Carolina. All right, looking at the rainfall amounts today, Wednesday, Thursday, all look dry. Friday, if we do see any rain on that Thursday night and Friday period, it would be south of Highway 64 and very, very light rainfall amounts. And then early next week is when we expect a better chance for, some rain that can add up in your rain gauge. All right. No flash flood risk for the next 3 days. No thunderstorms expected the next 3 days. We're looking at below normal temperatures and basically at or below normal precip for next week. We're talking from basically next Wednesday on. Okay, so while this shows below normal precip, and I just showed early next week there being some rain, this 14-day outlook covers the period after that rain moves through. Okay, so that wraps up our Tuesday briefing, mainly dry through this week and upcoming weekend, although a very slim chance for some light rain late Thursday, maybe into Friday south of Highway 64. I think most places will stay dry and cooler for this weekend. And then slow-moving frontal system bring additional rain early next week. All in all, we are expecting low-impact weather this week, and then no winter precip expected during this briefing period. So that wraps up this weekly briefing for Central North Carolina.